Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Archana Mhatre, lecturer in Electronics and Telecommunication Department. In this video, we will continue with the first unit of MWC, that is Wireless Communication System. In this video, we will see the fixed wireless network. First fixed wireless network is WLL, that is Wireless Local Loop Network. As you can see here in this this diagram, first the PSTN is connected to the switching function. Now PSTN is your public switch telephone network, which is used for landline connection. It is connected to the switching function, that is mobile switching function, MSC. Now the switching function is connected to WLL controller. WLL is the wireless local loop, and WLL controller again connected to the AM HLR. AM HLR, that is AM, that means amplitude modulation, and HLR is home location register. And also the controller, WLL controller, is connected to the transceiver. Now the WLL controller, AMHLR and transceiver is nothing but your standard network interface, and this is your telephone landline, and this is connected to the WANU, that is wireless access network unit, and this wireless access network unit are wirelessly connected with the WLL controller, that is wireless local loop controller. Okay, first PSTN. PSTN is a public switch telephone network connected to the switching function. Then switching function is connected to the standard network interface, where your three blocks are placed. First is WLL controller, that is wireless local loop controller, then amplitude modulation, home location register, and transceiver. Okay, then this is your telephone landline, and this landline is wirelessly connected with the wireless access network unit to the WLL. Okay, now we will see the description of this. The wireless local loop WLL is a generic term for an access system that uses wireless link rather than conventional copper wires to connect subscribers to the local telephone company's switch. Wireless local loop WLL is a protocol used to connect a user to public switched telecommunications network, that is PSTN, or broadband internet using the RF signals, that is radio frequency signals. It is also known as fixed wireless access, that is FWA, or simply fixed radio. This type of system uses analog or digital radio technology to provide telephone and data services to business and residential subscriber. Okay, this is the important topic, that this WLL wireless local loop uses the analog or digital technology to provide telephone or data services, that is voice or data services, to businesses and the residential subscriber. WLL systems can be easily integrated to the wireline public switch telephone network for more quickly than the traditional wireline installation. That means because it is wireless connection, it is installed more quickly than the wireline installation. That means installation of this WLL is easy. Now here you can see the features of wireless local loop. First feature is better quality for service, then compatible with other cellular technologies, then scalability. These are the features of the WLL. Now what are the advantages of wireless local loop? The first is the cost of wireless equipment is less. The cost of wireless equipment is less, and because of that it has a easy installation, and the installation rate also be the less. Installation process is easy for WLL system. They have good scale of installation. Now what are the applications of the WLL? First is the local phone service via wireless connection, cheaper to install than wired lines, and for very prominent in non-industrialization nations. Okay, now next system we will see is the local multi-point distribution system. First we will see the WLL, that is wireless local loop, and second is LMDS, that is local multi-point distribution system. Here you can see this is the diagram of the LMDS. Here you can see there is a Network Operation Center, NOC. This Network Operation Center is the one local point which is connected to the many point. Like here you can see NOC is connected to the broadcast video, base station, ATM, switched data, voice and internet. Now this base station is fixed, this base station is also fixed station, but this base station is wirelessly connected to the mobile users of industry, and this base station are wirelessly connected to the mobile user of for residential area through the CPE. CPE is customer premise equipment. Okay, now we will see the description of the LMDS. LMDS, that is local multi-point distribution system, is a broadband wireless system using high frequency radio transmission ranging from 3.5 GHz to 45 GHz band within small areas of few kilometer diameter. The transmission range of the LMDS is from 3.5 GHz to 45 GHz. Now, LMDS is a broadband wireless point to multipoint communication system that provides reliable digital two-way voice, data and internet services. In LMDS, the voice, data and internet services are provided, and all these services are two-way process. That means at a time you can transmit, the same time you can transmit and receive the data, voice or internet services. Achieved transmission rates are about 155 Mbps for the ranges below 10 km. It is one of the new proposed services and applications of WLL technology. Now, it is a fixed wireless system. The term local indicates that the signal range limit, and multi-point indicates that the broadcast signal. As we have seen in the diagram, the one point is connected to the many point. That means it broadcasts the signal. The term distribution defines the wide range of data that can be transmitted, data ranging anywhere from voice or video to internet and video traffic. It provides high capacity point to multi-point data access that is least investment intensive. LMDS with its wireless delivery combined with a significant amount of spectrum allocated promises to allow for a very high quality communication services. Now LMDS it transmit milliwave signal within small cells and usually operates at frequencies above the 10 GHz range. Later on, they were extended to offer other interactive services. Now, the LMDS system consists of the following four main components. That is, first is network operational center NOC. Second is a fiber based infrastructure. Third is a base station, which is your fixed station. And fourth is a customer promise equipment, that is CPE equipment. Now here we will see the advantages of a LMDS. It is very cost effective. The major percentage of investment is shifted to customer promise equipment, that is CPE. It has a very scalable architecture and it uses open industrial standards, ensuring service and expandability. Network management and maintenance is very cost effective. It has very large bandwidth available for data IP, telephone, video conferencing services, and it has a large capacity. These all are the advantages of the LMDS, that is local multipoint distribution system. Thank you.